Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be me doing my makeup for the very plenty of times, but now I am really excited to show you guys how I do my eyeshadow. I kind of was scared to try a purple because I'm like, I don't really know exactly how it's going to turn out, but I really love this color. What do you guys think? Do you guys like it? I really like this. So we're gonna be using the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, and I fell in love with this palette the first time I opened it up. I'm like, oh yeah, I have to get this because I really like the colors in this. Let me show you guys the colors. The colors in this is so bomb. Like, what do you guys think? I love all of these colors in here. So we're gonna be using this. Today we're gonna be just styling this look up. I'm really excited to try this out. I tried to do my eyeliner. I'm not sure how it went, but hopefully it turned out good. So let's just get into this video. So I'm gonna be using my e.l.f. Hydrating Concealer, and I'm just gonna be using this for my eyes. And I like to use this because this dries up so fast that I have to hurry up and pat this on. I'm just going to be using one of my sponges to just sponge this out, and I'm just going to use the tip of this and just do this. So I'm going to be using this purple right here, and I'm just lightly putting it on my eyes. And I'm just doing it lightly because I don't want it that thick on my eyes until I get to the middle of my eye. And I'm just patting this on there. And I'm just going to fade this out. I'm not gonna put any primer on my face because my face is really oily anyway. So I'm just gonna leave it like this. So I'm just gonna use my Anastasia foundation because I feel like when I do use primer or anything, it literally be greasing my face all the way up. So I feel like I gotta find me another type of primer. And what I'm doing is just patting really lightly because I want it to soak into my face. I think this would be enough when I put my eyelashes on. That's it. I think that'd be enough. So I'm done with the look. Let me know what you guys thought about this look. I'm actually excited about how it really turned out because I was kind of scared and paranoid. I'm like, oh my God, this is a purple and my makeup, I just didn't want to mess it up. And we just went on and used I didn't really get in touch with all of that. So I did go in and use the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. And I was like, I don't really know what type of colors to use. I'm just this type of girl that I don't know how to put colors together. It's like all of these little colors look so pretty. Comment down below if you guys like this look. Let me know what you guys want me to do next. So I'm going to tell you all the products I use down in my description box. And I use the NARS bronzer. And I really love this bronzer. I really like this bronzer because the bronzers, look at that. Like, it's literally like melting in my skin, and it actually makes my cheekbones sit up, and that's just something that I was going for. And then I did go in and use my Maybelline Fit Me powder, and that's just something I use. And then I did also go in and use the e.l.f. hydrating concealer, and this is something that I love. I really love this. Everything is going to be down in the description box below. And yeah, I absolutely love this. I really want to try this out. I was going to put this on there, but this is red. Why would I put red on top of a purple? If you guys like this video, make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up. And also make sure you guys subscribe. And make sure you guys are turning on you guys' notifications so you won't miss another video that I post.
I